Meaning of exorbitant.
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 Exorbitant. The term exorbitant refers to something that is unreasonably high or excessive. It usually describes prices, fees, or demands that are way beyond what is considered reasonable. When a price or fee is deemed exorbitant, it can negatively impact the ability of many people to access necessary goods and services. This can lead to inequality and unfair treatment of those who cannot afford the exorbitant prices. In certain situations, the term can also be used to describe someone's behavior as being excessively demanding or unreasonable.